Alrighty, luggage is already here. Better than on the last cruise we were on, with a different cruise line. Okay. And that's where you're gonna set your temp off. Since the door is open. That's not gonna work. This is stateroom attendant stuff. All that. On. And set it where you like it. Okay. And as we come in, we'll have a bunch of power here. Mirrors here. And phone services, USBs, regular power outlets. Lights for the desk. That is normally locked. There's a drawer here. Stool. And pull out bench here if you need that. And a bunch of drawers here with the hairdryer in here and accessories. The safe is down here. And it is actually pretty decent sized. Drawers, shelves, bed, mirror in front of the bed, and there are USB-Cs and light switches next to the bed here. This will turn the whole cabin on and off, and then this will do the lights by the bed. Same thing on the other side, identical on the other side. Same way. And then for the balcony, there is a lock up here, which you'll need to remove. And then lift, and out. And we just have a basic balcony. So, fairly small, 2 chairs and a table. Nothing too crazy. But you get a pretty good shot from this balcony. And then we'll go ahead and shut that down. Sofa. And the closet here. Ton of shelf space and more drawers. Actually quite a bit in this cabin. You won't run out of space here. And there's your hanging space. Shoes under and above if you need it. More space up above. More mirrors. Bathroom, which isn't too bad. Right from the bathroom, I like this about MSC. They even include a little makeup mirror. And shelves, storage, shampoo and shower gel. That's all they include though. That's it. And a little soap dispenser. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.